Isha, good morning. Welcome to the chat session of Eurasia Research.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
We are really congratulations to you for being selected as the eminent participant. Your paper was really appreciated with through all the participants that were present in the conference, and your conduct was really appreciated by Eurasia Research. That's why you have been selected as the eminent. So, Isha, I would like you to introduce yourself first.
Yeah, ma'am. This is Dr. Isha Bhatt. I'm basically belongs to India and from Rajasthan part, Jaipur. Actually, myself, assistant professor in Banasthali University. It is a second women's university in world, all over the world, the best university of the women's only. And in the Department of Design, I am here. And basically, I'm Indian and belongs to Jaipur part. Yes. So actually, I am the only girl child of my parents.
Okay.
So I did my all education in rural background. So this is my situation that my parents are so happy that you invited me here, and I am sitting here in front of you. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. Isha, I would like you to give us about your presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, I presented in the tribal textile of India. Actually, I am basically from design background. I did my doctorate in textile design, master's in textile design, and bachelor's also. So the subject is very unique subject. I think this is the very professional subject in all over the world right now. So I presented some tribal part of the Indian textile. The tribal part is very important and very cultural affected. All as you know, and all we are knowing that the tribal textile of India is very rich culture, and we must collaborate all the cultures in the Indian context. And I want to conserve the textile products. And the products and all the textiles and all the designs are unique in the Indian background. So I want to the designing of the culture is very basic part of the any subject. The design is very creative subject, and I also want to give the exploration and give the uniqueness of this basically subject. So I presented the all part that in the emerging trends and all the textiles of another part of the India, like block printing and Chanderi, Bandhej. These are the textiles of the India is very popular. So please conserve the textile from my this paper, research paper. So I want to give the reference of the tribal textiles of the India.
Okay. And Isha, what do you think? This COVID situation, was it difficult for you to carry on with your research? How was COVID period for you in terms of this research?
The COVID situation, ma'am, is very in my research, I did lot of the part that we have to conserve the textile, we have to conserve the dyed products, and we have to conserve the water. But in the COVID situation, we can't do the outer research.
Yeah.
So we have to do research in our homes, like from the Google and from the internet and other sources. So I just enjoyed the paper research that I do every research part in the from my basically home.
Okay.
So interesting is that, and actually I want to share my opinion that I selected in your Eurasia Research in the 2020 in the Singapore conference March.
Yeah.
But the situation, suddenly the situation is changed, and the conference was cancelled. So I again applied for that in the November. I think that is in the November. But the COVID situation is not the normalized. So right now I presented here. So I waited from whole the year that I'm here in front of you right now.
Okay. And do you remember, like, what was your first thoughts when you get to know that you'll be conducting, you'll be participating in the online conference rather than the physical one? Because like we were forced to have it online because of this pandemic. So what was your views on that? On having participating in the conference online?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, in the situation of the COVID, as you say, I wanted to go Singapore from this conference, but the situation is suddenly changes. But I thought that I do not represented like so much good. But I do enjoyed in the session before in the 24th and 25th of June. I very enjoyed. I don't know that you are collaborate this research, this presentations and this conference very smoothly and very informatively.
Thank you.
I appreciate you all, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Isha. Thank you for your kind words. And like, would you encourage your friends and colleagues to like participate in the conference? Do you think that the conference was worthy enough to encourage your friends?
Yes, ma'am, sure. I want to share a quotation that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So this sentence is showing that we can change the world from our education and from the design background, from the another subjects. So I want to give some encouragement to your team and to all of the world that please do education and please do researches, please do these type of the conferences and meetings that all of the world people can get connected and give the connections to each others, and we can share our knowledge and we can share the culture as well. So I must say that, and I also congratulate all the participants and all of your team that very encouragement and very organized, well-organized conference was that.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that this session will help others also. It will motivate them to, to carry on with their research, to, don't lay back because of this pandemic, because due to the current situation, we can see that Corona is not going anywhere anytime soon. So I think this is the only resolve that we are having right now. And we really want our researchers to be motivated and to share their research with other people so that, this cycle goes on. So thank you so much for joining with us for this chat session. And I'm sure that this will encourage other participants as well to carry on with their research and to participate in the conference. Thank you so much, Isha.
I'm also saying something, one more quotation, that it will be encouraged for all of us and all of the world, that strength and growth come only through continuous efforts and struggle. So do struggle, do strength, and make strength for the growth and only the design background and only the other subjects. So please do research, please do research, please do researches.
Okay, Isha, thank you so much. That was a very nice thought, and thank you so much for joining with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.